ATLANTIS, the Atlantic testing platform for maritime robotics, is an H2020 project demonstrating key enabling robotic technologies for the inspection and maintenance of offshore wind farms. In ATLANTIS, we have identified 8 scenarios where robotics could contribute to make operations and maintenance of offshore wind farms safer and less costly. The third scenario deals with repair of underwater cable protection systems. Subsea power cable failures are one of the main risks affecting offshore wind farm operations. These failures account for around 80% of insurance claims in the industry. Cable protection systems, such as touchdown protections, cover the cables at critical locations, and buoyancy modules reduce cable tension. These systems are also easier to replace than the cables when damaged. ROVs are commonly used for inspecting cable protection systems and buoyancy modules, as divers cannot safely operate in water depths larger than 30 meters. There is a need to improve the ROV capabilities, as inspection and cleaning before the inspection is particularly challenging due to the varying geometry of these systems. In ATLANTIS, we develop ROV close-range inspection and manipulation capabilities to solve these limitations. In ATLANTIS, an ROV is equipped with a 6 degree of freedom manipulation arm for providing the needed intervention capability for cleaning and cathodic protection inspection. Improved stabilization combined with full HD cameras increases close-range video inspection accuracy. High-quality data is critical, as it is used to assess the CPS state and the need for replacement. More information about this scenario and the project is available on the ATLANTIS webpage. Other videos can also be found in our YouTube channel. ATLANTIS, the Atlantic testing platform for maritime robotics.